VisBlock Premium Kit. A kit using which you can make your IoT projects in couple of minutes. So we have seen the Arduino based kits a lot of time, and many of you must have used those Arduino based kits, but those are kind of an old generation kind of thing, because today all the projects that we are making, that we are seeing, are based on ESP boards, like based on Wi-Fi and IoT and Bluetooth and everything and stuff like that. Okay, so we need to have a new and advanced kit for this generation, and this VisBlock kit is kind of that new or next gen kit. So in this video, I will let you know what this VisBlock Premium Kit all about and what kind of different components you will get, and in the end I will also let you know how to use different components provided in this VisBlock kit. Just stay tuned with this video and I will let you know everything regarding this next generation wireless IoT based kit. Let's get started. So we received this VisBlock Premium Kit at Techie SMS Studio, sent directly by a REC wireless company from China. And well, it's a beta testing unit. Well, there are a lot of interesting electronic stuff inside this kit, so let's first unbox it. So the first thing which everyone got excited to see in this kit is this electronic screwdriver. So it's a motion controlled screwdriver which can be controlled by motion of your hands. Just press the button and turn it to right to rotate it clockwise, and turn it to left to rotate it anti-clockwise. And well, it is a customized screwdriver. It has my name written on it. Superb. Along with the screwdriver, we also got different magnetic bits for different kind of screws. After that, we have this REC baseboard with a core board attached on it. Now what is this baseboard and core board all about? Well, this whole VisBlock kit is divided into 4 different parts. First is VisBlock base, the block that the whole system is built on. Second is VisBlock core, the processing unit with the microcontroller. Third are the VisBlock sensors, the blocks with a variety of sensors. And fourth is VisBlock IO, the blocks that extend the communication possibilities of the VisBlock. The main motive of the company is to make our task of making IoT projects as simple as possible, and well, they actually did it. Yes, to make the projects using the VisBlock, you just need to connect the right component onto the right port, upload the code for it, and you are done. Don't worry, I'll show you the practical demo of how to make projects on this kit at the end of the video, so just make sure you watch the video till the end. So other than those modules, we got couple of antennas for different communication protocols like LTE, LoRa, GPS, etc. Then we get a 18650 battery holder, an acrylic cutout to fit our projects in it, some connecting wires, and a USB cable to program the board. So now if I put everything on a single frame, then we get these many things inside this beta testing kit. There are really so many things to play with. So that was all about the unboxing experience. Now let's further discuss about the technical aspects of some of the components. So the VisBlock core is actually the main brain of this kit, and it consists of NRF 52840 and SX1262 chip inside it. That means along with the microcontroller, this core module has built-in BLE and LoRa communication functionalities. And well, that's not it. We can even extend the communication protocol by attaching the ESP32 board along with it to have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth communication protocols. We can even connect the cellular board, which uses Quectel BG77 module for narrowband IoT communication via cellular network. And we need to connect these modules on IO port of the baseboard to communicate with them. Now further, to make any projects, we need some input devices and some output devices as well. So in this VisBlock kit, we get couple of sensors like a temperature and humidity sensor, an environment sensor, a light sensor, and a 3-axis accelerometer. Now you can attach these sensors on any of the 4 sensor slots provided on the baseboard, as all the sensors are based on I2C protocol. Along with this, we also get a tiny little GPS module to make our own live tracker based projects. Now this module communicates on UART protocol, so it specifically needs to get connected on slot A of the baseboard. Now we also have different extension boards for different kind of sensors. For example, we have this RAK5801 which converts the current based sensor signal to voltage. it supports the sensor's current signal ranging from 4 mA to 20 mA. After that, we have this RAK5811 using which we can connect the analog sensor which gives the signal ranging between 0V to 5V, and in the end we get this RAK5802 which is used to convert RS485 protocol to UART protocol. So these were all the input models of the kit. Now for getting the output, we also have this 128x64 OLED screen to display our data on it. Then we have two different extension boards for connecting both input and output components with different kind of connectors provided on both the boards. So this was all about the technical aspects of different components provided in this kit. Now that's it about the introduction. Now let us see how to make an actual working project out of this kit, and also let's see how much time it takes to make the project using this kit. But before that, we need to add a particular board's package onto our Arduino IDE to upload the code onto this board. So for that, open up Arduino IDE and go to Preferences. Click here and add this link in a new line. After that, just click on OK. Now go to Tools, Boards, to Boards Manager. Here search for RAK and click on this install button. That's it. With this, not only the supported boards will be added, but also the example codes are also added to get started with this kit. So now we are all set to make our first project on this kit. So first, let's try to get the temperature and humidity sensors data using this kit. For that, I'll just connect the sensor to slot A of the baseboard and open the example code for the sensor. Click here to install the necessary library for it. After that, just select the board as RAK4631, select the right port and hit the upload button. Now let's open up the serial monitor and observe the readings. Yes, we are getting the readings from this sensor. That's it. We made it. We made our first project using this kit within 1 minute. That was about the first project. Now let's just try to make another project using the OLED screen. So first of all, I will solder the male headers on the baseboard, as this is the dedicated portion for the OLED display with 4 pins same as that on the display. After that, I'll connect the OLED screen with the connecting wires, attach an environment sensor on the slot A. After that, I'll connect the OLED screen with the connecting wires. Now on Arduino, just open up the OLED example code and simply hit the upload button. That's it. So here is our sensor monitoring project whose data we can observe onto the OLED screen. So similarly, we can make many different kind of projects using this kit with less complexity and less time as well. Now hit a like button if you are already in love with this kit, already in love with all the components provided. Now the point is how you can get all these things. Now, first of all, you won't be getting this kit as this was only for the beta testers like me, but you can separately purchase all the components which I have shown in this video from the official website of RAK Wireless. I'll attach the link for that website in the description of this video. Here all the components are separately sold, so you can also buy only those things which are required for building your projects. That's it. Now just comment below about what kind of projects should I make using this kit, or rather let me know what projects you would have made if you have this kit with you. Let me know your suggestion in the comments of this video. That's all from my side. Now just subscribe my channel if you really love to see this electronic kits and projects. I'll try my best to show you the exclusive content in this field of electronics. That being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoyed the content, and now just wait for my next video. Till then, explore, learn, share with me, Techie SMS.